Hi students, we are looking at the chapter 1 of 10th standard mathematics. Okay, this is where we stopped in the last lecture. Representation of functions. Function may be represented by a set of ordered pairs, a table form, an arrow diagram, a graphical form. Okay, this is a function. Let f is a to b, a function. Set of ordered pairs is this way. The set f equal to x comma y, where y equal to f of x comma x belongs to a. Okay, y is a function of x. Of all ordered pairs represent a function. This is a set of ordered pairs. Table form, the values of x and the values of the respective images under f can be given in the form of a table. That is table form. Arrow diagram. An arrow diagram indicates the elements of a domain of f and their respective images by means of arrows. Graph, the order pairs in the collection of x comma y equal to f of x belongs to a, are plotted as points in the xy plane. And the graph of f is the totality of all such points. Okay, right. Every function can be represented by a curve in a graph, but not every curve drawn in a graph will represent a function. Okay, the following test will help us in determining whether a given curve is a function or not. A vertical line test. A curve drawn in a graph represents a function if every vertical line intersects the curve in at most one point. Okay. Using vertical line test, determine which of the following curves. So this is not a function because it is see this vertical line, that means this line meeting the given curve at the 2 points P and Q. That means for the same value of x you got two values for y. Okay, yes, this is a function. Only one point it is intersecting, and this is not a function. Again, this is intersecting this curve at 2 points P and Q. Okay, the curves of figure 1.1a to c do not represent a function, as the vertical lines meet the curve at 2 points B and D. This represents a function, no problem. So they represent a function as the vertical lines meet the curve in at most one point. Any equation represented in a graph is usually called a curve. Okay, this is the definition for curve. A and B are be two sets. Let f equal to a to b be a function given by f of x equal to 3x minus 1. Represent this function by arrow diagram. First one is arrow diagram. First a is this, b is this. Okay, f of x is this. Right. Uh, f of 1 is 2, f of 2 5, f of 3 9 minus 1 8, f of 4 4 into 3 12 minus 1 11. Okay, so these four maps only these four elements. Okay, so this is arrow diagram. Mapping is shown in the arrow diagram. Okay, table form, the given function f can be represented in a tabular form given below. For the values of x, these are the values of y. Okay, this is tabular form or table form. Set of ordered pairs, that means one input and the corresponding output, 1 comma 2 2 comma 5 3 comma 8 4 comma 11. Okay, this is f. Okay, graphical form, if you draw the graph of 3x minus 1 for only these points. Okay, 1 comma 2 2 comma 5 3 comma 8 4 4 comma 11. These points you need to represent in the graph. Okay, this is graphical form. These must be indicated clearly. Okay, types of functions. In this function we will discuss the following types of functions with suitable examples: one to one, many to one, one into. 1 to 1 means let us assume that we have a cell phone with a proper working condition. If you make a usual call to your friend, then you can make only one at a time. If we treat making calls as a function, then it will be 1 to 1. Okay, at any given point of time you can only talk to one person. Okay, a function a to b is called 1 to 1 function. You can only dial one number. Okay, 1 to 1 function if distinct elements of a have distinct images of b. Okay, so 1 to function is also called as an injection. Equivalently, if for all a1 a2 belongs to a, f of a1 equal to f of 2 a2 implies a1 equal to e2, then f is called a 1 to 1 function. One corresponding input corresponds to one particular output. Okay, one particular input corresponds to one particular output, that is 1 to 1. See this function 1a 2b 3d 4c, this is 1 to 1. Okay, 1b 2b, see two inputs correspond to the same output, so this is not a 1 to 1. Many to one function in a theater complex, three films f1 f2 f3 are shown. 7 persons arrive at the theater and buy tickets as shown in figure. If the selection of films is considered as a relation, even then this is a function. Then this is a function which is many to one. The inputs are many, right? Outputs are only three. Since more than one person may choose to watch the same film, that is many to one. A function a to b is called many to one function if two or more elements of a have the same image in b. In other words, a function a to b is called many to one if f is not 1 to 1. Okay, this is an example. 1 2 3 4 a, b is abc, 1a 2a 3b 4c. So two inputs correspond to the same output. So this is many to one. On to function. In a mobile phone, assume that there are three persons in contact. If every person in the contact receives a call, then the function representing making calls will be on to. What does that mean? If in a mobile phone, assume that there are three persons in the contact. If every person in the contact receives a call, okay, every person uh, in the contact receives a call, then the function representing making calls will be on to. That means said to be on to function if the range of f is equal to the codomain of f. Okay, this is codomain, right? In other words, every element in the domain codomain b has a pre-image in the domain a. An onto function is also called surjection. So E is onto function, then the range of f equal to b. Right. A is this, b is this. Range of f is lmn, that is equal to b. That means it is a onto function. See, this is the range, right? Into function in a home application, right? In a home application, appliance showroom, the product television, air conditioner, washing machine, and water heater were provided with a 20% discount as a New Year sale offer. If the selection of the above products by the three customers C1, C2, C3 is considered as a function, then the following diagram will represent an into function. During winter season, customers usually do not prefer buying air conditioners. Here, air conditioner is not chosen by any customer. This is an example of into function. So, what does that mean? Into function, if there exists at least one element in B which is not the element of A, then it is into function. So, one element in B which is not function of A. So that is the range of f is a proper subset of codomain of f. Okay. In other words, a function a to b is called into if it is not onto. Oh, right. A is this 1, 2, 3. This is w x y z. See, y is left out. 1 comma w, 2 comma z, 3 comma x. X is the f, right? So this is onto. Sorry, into function. Bijection. Consider the circle where each letter in the English alphabet is changed from inner portion to a letter in the outer portion. Thus A to B, B to E, C to F, Z to C. Where is Z? Yeah, Z to C. We call this circle as hypercircle. What does this mean? Code. Hyper means a code. In this way, if we try to change the word hello, then it will become kur. Cage over. Now using the same circle, if you substitute for each letter the corresponding inner letter, we will get back the word hello. This process of converting from one form to another form and receiving back the required information is called bijection. So this can be used for secret service. This process is widely used in the study of secret codes called cryptography. Cryptography, the art of writing or solving codes. Okay. If a function a to b is both 1 to 1 and on to, then f is called bijection from a to b. Okay. This one is an example of bijection. 1 to 1 and on to. So this is 1 to 1. This is on to also. Distinct elements of A have distinct images in B, and every element in B has a pre-image in A. This is 1 to 1. Okay. What about this? This is many to 1. This is on to. Okay. This is into. Okay. Bijection. Where is bijection? It is not shown. Okay. To determine whether the function is 1 to 1 or not, the following test may help us. Horizontal line test. Previously we have seen the vertical line test. Now let us see the horizontal line test. A function is represented in a graph is 1 to 1 if every horizontal line intersects the curve in at most one point. That means at every corresponding y there should be only one x. So this is onto. This is not onto. Okay. So different values of x correspond to the same value of y. This is onto. Okay. A is this, B is this, F is this. We have function from A to B. Show F that F is 1 to 1 but not on to function. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is clearly 1 to 1. Note element 7 is not in the codomain. Codomain is only 4, 5, 6. So this is not an onto. Not an onto. Okay. A is this. A to B is an onto function in defined way. F of x is this. Then find B. Oh, you need just to substitute these values, find those values, and those represent your B. Okay, 317 or 137. Let f be a function. N to n be defined by this. Find the images of 1 to 3. Find the pre-images of 29 and 53. Okay, identify the type of function. Okay, images found out. 5 8 11. X is the pre-image of 29. Find x. X is 9, 17. Thus the pre-images of 29 hmm 29 and 53 are 9 and 17. Since the different elements of n have different images in codomain, the function is 1 to 1. No problem, that is 1 to 1 function. The codomain of f is n, but the range of f is a proper subset of n. Therefore, f is not an onto function. That is, f is an into function. Thus, f is 1 to 1 and into. To have onto your range of f should be equal to the codomain. Okay, here codomain is all natural numbers, right? Forensic scientists can determine the height of a person based on the length of the thigh bone. They usually do by using this function 2.47b plus 54.1, where b is the length of the thigh bone. Verify the function h is 1 to 1 or not. Also find the height of a person if the length of his thigh bone is 50 cm, and find the length of the thigh bone if the height of the person is 147.96 cm. First check this one. Check whether it is 1 to 1 or not. Assume that h of b1 equal to h of b2. So h of b1 equal to h of b2 when b1 equal to b2, then the function is 1 to 1. That we have seen, right? If the length of the thigh bone is 50 cm, then the height is 177.6 cm. If the height of the person is 147, length of the thigh bone also you can easily calculate. Okay, 2.47b plus 54.1. Check whether the following curves represent a function. In case of a function, check whether it is 1 to 1. Use the vertical line, horizontal line test. Oh, vertical line you need to test whether it is a function or not. Vertical line, this is a function. Horizontal line tells you whether it is 1 to 1 or not. Okay, this is not 1 to 1, right? This is not 1 to 1. This is 1 to 1, and this is a function, and this is 1 to 1. This is a function. What about horizontal line? This is bending, right? Somewhere I think you will get two values. So this is not a 1 to 1. What about this? This is not a function at all. This is also not function. This is a function, but this is not 1 to 1. Special cases of functions. So there are some special cases of functions which will be very useful. We discuss some of them below. Constant function, identify function, real valued function. Constant function. A function is said to be constant if the range of f contains only one element. That is f of x equal to c. X belongs to a, and for some fixed c belongs to b. Okay. So a, b, c, d, b equal to 1, 2, 3, and f is a comma 3, b comma 3, c comma 3, d comma 3. So f of x equal to 3 for all x equal to a. Range of f is 3. F is a constant function. Identity function. Let a be a non-empty set. Then the function f a to a is defined as identity. That is f of x equal to x for all x belongs to a is called identity function on a and is denoted by ia. That means these and these are both are same, and every corresponding element represents the corresponding maps to the corresponding element only, x to x, y to y, z to z. If a equal to a comma b comma c, ia equal to a comma a, b comma b, c comma c is an identity function on a. Real valued function. A function a to b is called real valued function if the range of f is a subset of the set of all real numbers R. That is, f of a is subset of R. Okay. For all a belongs to a. All one-to functions are onto functions. No, there will be no one-to-one function from a to b when n of a equal to 4, n of b equal to 3. Right, that is correct. All onto functions are one-to-one functions. No, false. There will be no onto functions from a to b when n of a equal to 4, n of b equal to 5. That is false. If f is a bijunction from a to b, then n of a equal to n of b. So what is bijection? Just now we have seen. This is bijection. It should be one to one and onto also. Okay, right. Where is this? A to b, then n of a equal to n of b. Yeah, n of a equal to n of b. If n of a equal to n of b, then f is a bijection from a to b. This is not correct. Okay. Vice versa is not correct. All constant functions are bijections. No, that is also false. Let f be a function from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 5. Find the values of a and b given that a comma 4 and 1 comma b belongs to f. What is there? Just substitute a here and here 4. You will get a. Similarly b. This is the function. Find the values of f of 4. F of 4. So 3x minus 2 you have to use. 12 minus 2, 10. F of 4 is 10. F of minus 2. This one you have to use minus 2 whole square, that is 4 minus 2. 2 is the answer. F of 4 plus 2 into f of 1. F of 4 means this you have to use. F of 4 is 10. F of 1 is 1 here. 1 square minus 2 minus 1 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay. F of 1 minus 2. F of 4 is 10. So minus 2 minus 30, that is minus 32. Minus 32. By f of minus 3, that is minus 3 here. Minus 3 into 6, 2 minus 6 plus 1. So how much we got here? F of 1 is minus 2. F of 4 is 10. 30 minus 32, right? Minus 2 minus 30 minus 32. So that is the answer. Minus 31. F of 1 is 1. Yeah, f of 1 is 1 minus 1. So minus 31. Okay, right. Exercise 1.4. Determine whether the graph given below represents functions. So give regions of your answer concerning each graph. Draw a vertical line and see what is there in it. Okay, if you draw the vertical line, it cuts the given function in two places. So this is not a function. This is a function. Wherever you draw a line, you will get only one point. Okay. Here this is not a function clearly. Okay. You end up getting many points. This is function. If you draw a vertical line, you will get only one point anywhere. A to be a function defined by f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1, where a equal to this, b equal to this, represented by f using order pairs, table, arrow diagram, graph. That you can do easily. Represent the function through that also you can do. Show that the function end to end defined by f of x is 1 to 1 but not onto. Just substitute some values, you will get it, no problem. Okay, is 1 to 1 function. Here also substitute 3 to 4 values. And you can tell that that is 1 to 1. F of x equal to x cube, then find the range of f. B belongs to n. Okay. 1 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube is what? 164. Okay, so that is the range of f. 1 8 27 64. Okay, identify the type of function. Into. In each of the following cases, state whether the function is bijection or not. Justify your answer. Defined by this, what is bijunction? This should be a 1 to 1. This is 1 to 1, no problem. What else is needed for bijunction? Bijunction, it should be on to. Okay, it should be 1 to and also on to. What is on to? All the real numbers it must cover here. That means range of f should be equal to codomain. Is that possible? That is not possible. That is not possible. Is that possible or not? If that is possible, yes, this is bijection. Otherwise, it is not a bijection. You will get 0 easily. All real numbers you have to get. Oh, okay, fine. If you can show which real number you cannot get, then it is not a bijection. Okay. If you substitute all the real numbers, will you get all the real numbers using this function? That is the test. Okay, 2x plus 1. No, you may not get all the real numbers, right? So this is not a bijunction. This is 3 minus 4x square. This is also not bijunction. Denoted by f of x equal to ax plus b is an onto function. Find a and b. You need to cover every value in the number line. Right, it covers all the real numbers. This is bijunction only. This also covers. This also becomes a subset of real numbers. So this is also a bijunction only. But what about its its sorry, what I'm saying, to become bijunction, it should be 1 to 1 and on to 1. Okay, on to, is it on to, mm, if you can get every part in the real number. Okay, let's, if you draw a real number line here like this, you should get every point in the real number using some value of x. Okay, and the x value of x is also real number. mm, if that is possible, then this is bijective. Is that really possible? That's the question here. Yes, for some value of x, you will, that means there are definitely many values, right? You will get, I think. So no problem. Here, let's see whether it is 1 to 1. Then we can check for whether it is on to or not. Whether it is 1 to 1 or not, substitute f of 1, 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. Substitute minus 1, 3 minus 4, minus 1. So this is not 1 to 1. A is this, B is this. If a function a to b is defined by f of x equal to ax plus b, is an onto function. Find a and b. Oh, this is an onto function. Onto means the image equal to b. Image equal to b. Okay. Now substitute these two values, a into 0, b equal to minus 1. B is minus 1. What about a? Substitute this one. Which one? This one. What is this one? Tell me clearly. Okay. Uh, substitute. Made a mistake. Yeah, I made a mistake. Minus a. These are the equations. Minus a plus b. No, plus b equal to 0. Okay. What is on to? Should be equal to range, right? So minus a plus b equal to 0. Okay. Then substitute 1. A plus b. A plus b equal to 2. Now find a and b. Find a and b. Add them up. 2b equal to 2. B equal to 1. So b, we already got, b is 1. What about a? If b is 1, a equal to minus 1. No? No, a also 1. Because a plus b equal to 2, right? If you substitute b1 here, a becomes 1. So here also this equation is also valid. Minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So 1 and 1. If the function f is defined by this, find the values of f of 3, f of 3, f of 3, f of 3. Yeah, x greater than 1. Right. 3 plus 2, 5. This is 5. What about f of 0? You want me to find f of 0? Oh, 0 is 2. F of 0 is 2 because that is in the range from minus 1 to 1, right? So that is constant. F of minus 1.5. 1.5 fall where it falls. Minus 3 to minus 1. Here it falls. Minus 1.5 minus. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.